Ready to declutter your Snapchat and say goodbye to some digital acquaintances? Let's jump right into a simple step-by-step guide on how to unfriend someone on Snapchat, so you can take control of who you're sharing your snaps with. First things first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. You'll usually land on the camera screen. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Scroll down until you find the Friends section. Tap on My Friends to see your full friends list. Now, find the friend you want to remove. Once you've located them, tap and hold on their name. A menu will pop up. Select Manage Friendship. On the Manage Friendship screen, you'll see a few options. Tap Remove Friend. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove them. Tap Remove. And that's it. The person is now removed from your friend list and can no longer see your private stories or send you snaps unless you add them back. It's that easy to manage your Snapchat connections. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and helpful social media tips. #Snapchat Friends #social media management.